What if sanctions aren't always what they seem? Welcome to an exploration of recent U.S. sanctions on Zimbabwe and their implications. Let's dive into an enlightening interview with Elaine French, the Chargé d'Affaires at the U.S. Embassy in Zimbabwe. She recently spoke with AB Communications Editor-in-Chief Moses Matenga, shedding some light on the U.S.'s stance. On March 4, 2024, U.S. President Joe Biden terminated the Zimbabwe sanctions program, while the Treasury imposed fresh restrictive measures under the Global Magnitsky Act of 2016, tightening sanctions on 11 individuals, including Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa. French clarified that this move does not impede the U.S.'s ability to invest or trade with Zimbabwe. She believes that these sanctions create an opening for the Zimbabwean government to address human rights abuses, promote good governance, and tackle corruption. Furthermore, French sees this as an opportunity for businesses, investors, and banking institutions to reconsider Zimbabwe as a potential investment destination. The U.S. Embassy is actively trying to engage and educate U.S. businesses about the true nature of these sanctions. French emphasized that having individuals on the sanctions list does not impede the U.S.'s ability to invest or trade with Zimbabwe. She dismissed the Zimbabwean government's assertion that retaining Mnangagwa on the sanctions list contradicts the claim that there are no more sanctions against Zimbabwe. French reiterated the U.S. Embassy's stance that there are not and have never been sanctions on the country of Zimbabwe or the people of Zimbabwe. The new designation includes only 11 individuals and 3 companies, which do not represent the 16 million Zimbabweans. French strongly believes that the majority of Zimbabweans are free to trade with the United States, dismissing the idea that 11 individuals could undermine the productivity of 16 million Zimbabweans as a false narrative. So to sum up, the U.S. maintains that the recent sanctions do not impede trade or investment with Zimbabwe. The sanctions target specific individuals, not the country or its people, and are intended to create opportunities for reform and investment. It's a complex issue, but one that offers a fresh perspective on the nature and impact of sanctions.